Today, we're waking up your body with a quick and intentional 5-minute stretch routine. Let's get those hips moving and that spine activated for a day of ease and strength. Whether you've been sitting a lot, sleeping in a less than ideal position, or just feeling a little stiff, this flow is for you. We'll gently release tension, open your hips, and activate your spine for better mobility and alignment. You don't need any equipment, just a soft mat and a few minutes to focus on yourself. This can be done in your living room, bedroom, or anywhere you feel comfortable and ready to move. Over the next 5 minutes, we'll move through dynamic and targeted stretches designed to loosen your hips, strengthen your core, and bring flexibility to your spine. I promise, by the end of this routine, you'll feel grounded, mobile, and energized for the day. Most people would skip this step, but you're here, and that already sets you apart. Let's hit the mat. Let's start by waking up your hip flexors. Think of this as creating the foundation for smooth and strong movements throughout your day. Kneel on your mat with your knees hip-width apart and your toes tucked under. Place your hands on your hips. Slowly sit your hips back toward your heels, then engage your core and glutes as you lift back to your starting position. Move with control, breathing deeply. This stretch warms up and mobilizes your hip flexors while engaging your core. I promise you'll feel your hips waking up and your lower body ready to move freely. If kneeling feels uncomfortable, place a cushion under your knees for support. For more intensity, lift your arms overhead as you rise. Take a deep breath and let's flow into a dynamic sequence with child's pose into Cobra Stretch. Now let's create a flowing connection between your lower back and chest, releasing stiffness and building energy. Start in child's pose with your hips sinking back towards your heels and your arms stretched forward. Inhale as you shift forward into Cobra Stretch, lifting your chest and drawing your shoulders back. Exhale as you return to child's pose. Move with your breath for 1 minute. This flow loosens up your lower back and opens your chest, combining the best of relaxation and activation. I promise you'll feel refreshed and aligned after this sequence. If Cobra feels intense, keep your elbows bent and lift gently. Use a cushion under your hips in child's pose if needed. Shift back to kneeling as we prepare for a deep stretch with kneeling side angle stretch. Let's target the sides of your body. Think of this as opening the windows of your core to let fresh energy in. Kneel on your mat and step your right foot forward into a low lunge. Rest your right forearm on your thigh and extend overhead, reaching towards your left. Feel the stretch along your side and hip. Gently swing your arm for 30 seconds, then switch sides. The stretch releases tension in your side body while improving flexibility in your hips and obliques. I promise you'll feel longer, looser, and more mobile. If the stretch feels intense, place your left hand on your hip for more support. To deepen the stretch, lower your right hand closer to the floor. Bring both knees back to the mat and let's loosen things up with SemiHola Hoops. Imagine swirling your hips in slow motion, creating a sense of freedom and flow through your lower back and pelvis. From a kneeling position, place your hands on your hips. Begin to circle your hips in one direction, moving slowly and smoothly. After 30 seconds, reverse the direction. Keep your upper body steady and focus on creating a flowing motion. This movement improves hip flexibility and releases tension in the lower back. I promise your hips will feel looser and more ready for movement. If kneeling isn't comfortable, stand up and perform the same motion with your feet hip-width apart. Let's finish strong with a classic cat-cow stretch to activate your spine. We're ending with a gentle but powerful movement to awaken your spine. Think of this as hitting the reset button on your back. Come onto all fours with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your chest and tailbone toward the sky, cow pose. Exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin to your chest, cat pose. Flow with your breath for 1 minute. The stretch activates and mobilizes your spine while relieving tension in your back and neck. I promise you'll feel calm, centered, and ready for the day. If your wrists feel strained, perform the stretch on your forearms. Focus on moving at your own pace. Take one final deep inhale and sit back on your heels to close out this routine. Fantastic work, fam. You've just activated your hips, mobilized your spine, and opened up your body for the day ahead, all in just 5 minutes. Most people would skip taking time for themselves, but you showed up, and that's what makes all the difference. By doing this, you're building strength and consistency for a healthier and more flexible you. Anytime you see that notification bell go off, just press play. It's that simple. And share this routine with someone who needs it. Go check out the free gift that I have waiting for you in the description. It's designed to help you level up. You'll love it. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.